Oh, look at that.
Yeah, it's right on.
Right on, yeah.
Oh,
Do you see it?
yeah, I bet you there's a seal on there.
Or a sea lion.
Yeah.
What do you see in the binoculars? Just tell me.
Phoenix.
I mean, I can see the fins right
Oh,
now.
I can see the fin. Yeah, the fin's moving.
There's an eagle right there.
Wow.
Where's Salcha?
You can call that dog that.
Salcha! Puppy! Pup, 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 pup.
Salcha!
You see him?
Salcha!
Yeah.
His fin's still up.
Salcha! Come on!
The boat coming.
Puppy!
Oh, wow.
Salcha! Come on! Here, puppy!
I wasn't paying attention.
Well, I saw the second one in the corner of my eye.
Oh, there he is.
There he is. Yeah.
Is the fin still up, Phoenix? Oh, yeah. He's
Yeah.
right there at the end. There's got to be a sea lion on there.
There's something.
Could
Could it be a boat coming
Okay,
through
can I
there
see?
now?
There's both of them.
Oh, there's fish. I see the fish jumping around in the water.
Oh! Oh! Someone's give me that, Phoenix. I really want to see.
That's it. That's fish.
Big
Get 'em?
fan. Looking with some hunt.
No, there's no, he can't. Mommy,
There's
can't
no
see
way you
here.
can see that.
No. Oh, they're eating something. Yeah, go get Granddad's. Granddad's are even better than this. Oh, that's cool. They're totally eating. Oh, wow.
On me. Side of the reef or left side?
Left side of the reef. Okay, they just came up. They're a little bit away from the reef now.
There. Got it.
Up, up. There you go.
Got it.
Oh, yeah, look. Wow.
Go ahead and look, Phoenix.
Should we walk over to Bill's place?
Yeah, maybe, because they're staying over there.